How to install a glass splashback. Check your walls for sharp objects. Ensure your wall is clean, dry and dust-free. Carefully unpack your splashback from the packaging. Lay your splashback painted side up onto a towel or piece of cardboard to ensure it doesn't get scratched. Apply our low modular adhesive directly to the wall. Apply in strips the width of your small finger from the top of the wall to the bottom, leaving a 50mm gap from the sides, top and bottom. Gently lower onto the worktop and roll onto the wall. Seal the bottom edge between your worktop and splashback using our low modular adhesive. If either of the side edges meets a cupboard or other surface, also seal these with our low modular adhesive. Use decorator's caulk to seal the side edges of your splashback that meet the wall. This will allow you to paint the caulk once set. Resist the temptation to clean or touch your glass splashback for 48 hours to allow the adhesive to set. Your fantastic new glass splashback is now installed.